Hello guys and welcome to Titan Trading channel where we're going to talk all about trading and investing in the Malaysian stock market. For now, we'll be focusing on analyzing technical charts and I'll share my personal opinions based on my experience as a full-time trader. Before we dive in, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you find our information helpful. Drop us your questions in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions as well. Just a heads up, everything shared in this video is my personal opinion and is done for educational purposes only. I won't give specific buy or sell calls on any particular stock, so please your own informed decisions. Alright, so today we'll be looking at SFPTECH BHD, definitely one of the star IPO and tech stocks for Bursa Malaysia over the past year lah. So we'll be looking at the daily charts today, and I already plotted my major support and resistance levels and already done my FIBO just to make today's video slightly shorter. Alright, so over the past, say, 6 or 7 months, it's been consolidating since forming its all-time high around the 1 ringgit level, 1 ringgit 97, 98 cents level around here, and it's been consolidating, right? And as we all know, the market has been quite soft and weak over the past months. And although SFPTECH did retrace, it actually formed a higher low region around the 77 cents, so considered a pretty strong stock. And recently, what caught my attention is that it managed to break out from this 90 cents level and form an all-time high at 1 ringgit and 16 cents, which is what we saw here right after the bonus issue shares were done. Now, of course, it faced very strong selling pressure, as we can see here, the long candle wick over the past week, and has since been retracing, consolidating over the 90 cents, 88 cents support level. All right, so definitely we'll see what's going on here for today. I believe this level would be very crucial. So I'm going to plot this major level of support here. Right. So right now, I believe that it's done forming its higher low region already because it managed to break out, pull back, break out all-time high, pull back, and hold above its support over the past few weeks. Oh my God, looks like a middle finger. Okay. Right. So for now on the daily chart, definitely looks like it's stabilized itself already around the 90 cent support level. And on the daily chart, it definitely still looks very strong here. Since breaking out from this minor downtrend line, as you can see here, it broke out from this downtrend line, it's staying above it. So usually for this kind of pattern, it could be right for a new uptrend rally here, right? And in the coming weeks, if the buying momentum is able to sustain, that is what we could be anticipating here. Now, of course, I'm not saying that it's going to be a very smooth ride because as we can all see here, once it hits above the 1 ringgit level, it starts to get bumpy already. We can see a huge selling pressure around here, and I will be expecting the same even if it starts breaking out here. So we have to see how it goes by then. For now, things are looking pretty good. And if you ask me, definitely the best situation here will be a nice uptrend continuation towards the 1 ringgit 16 and above levels, right? That will be the best ideal situation. Or you could even go parabolic, but I think it's quite unlikely because we're not in the US. In Malaysia, uh, things are not looking that great yet. So for SFPTECH, I think the best is that we could see a nice uptrend, and that would be very, very good already. But of course, we have to accommodate. I mean, not accommodate, but we have to factor in what if things go wrong, right? So if it faces a strong rejection at around the 1 ringgit level, then it could, consolidate a little bit more between 1 ringgit and 90 cents, and until it decides until it determines the next direction. And if it's weak, it could actually go back down. I mean, not that low, but it could actually go back down towards the 86 cents support level where we saw here. You see a strong support level there, and here previous resistance and support, right? So that could happen as well. And if it's really, really weak, you could form false breakout and see it shoot all the way down or towards the 77 cents level and consolidate. And in some worst cases, it could even go down back to a downtrend as well, right? All of these are possible scenarios, and we all have to account it, right? To be a successful and a full-time trader. If you want to be a profitable trader, you have to account for all these scenarios. But of course, when the chart is breaking out, we have to take our trades and hope for the best, right? Do set your stop loss orders and all that. If you're able to break off 1 ringgit, I think we'll be able to generate a pretty good response over here. But of course, if it faces rejection, then do account for possible retracements back towards the 86 cents or even 80 cents or 77 cents major support levels. And yep, so that's it for today's video. And if you find our information helpful, do feel free to share this video to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated to future content. And yep, have fun trading.